Happy Republic Day to one and all. Today I will be showing you the recipe for paneer stuffed paratha. The ingredients you will need to prepare this yummy paratha are 1.5 cups of atta, that is whole wheat flour, 180 grams of grated paneer, that is cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilli, 1 teaspoon soft, that is fennel seeds, half teaspoon of ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, water for making the dough, and oil for cooking. In a large bowl, add the whole wheat flour along with half teaspoon of salt. Pour water little at a time and knead it into a soft and smooth dough. Instead of water, I am using curd today. You can also use buttermilk, curd, or even milk instead of water for making the dough. After you make the dough, cover it and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a kadhai. Add soft, chopped green chilli and onion to the hot oil and fry for a minute. Now, add the paneer along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook the mixture till all the excess water evaporates and the paneer stops sticking to the pan. Then, switch off the flame and let it cool completely before making the parathas. Divide the prepared dough and the paneer filling into 7 equal portions. Dust one dough ball with some flour and roll it out into a thick paratha. Stuff the paneer filling and gather the dough around it as shown in the video. Flatten it between your palms, dust it with some flour and roll it out into a semi-thick paratha. Roll out the rest of the dough similarly. Now, heat a tawa and place a rolled paratha on it. First, cook the paratha on high flame till you see tiny spots on both sides. Then, apply oil and cook it till both sides are golden brown as shown in the video. Serve this mouth-watering paratha with your favorite sabzi, some curd or pickle. You can even eat it as it is. A 50 gram paneer paratha has around 95 calories and a protein content of 4 grams.